Hey everyone! Welcome back. In this guide, I'll show you how to install the 27 developer beta for free using Apple's official method. Let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General, then select Software Update. Allow the page to load completely. If you already see the Beta Updates option, tap it and choose iOS 27 Developer Beta. After selecting it, return to the previous screen, and the iOS 27 Beta Update should appear, ready for installation. However, if the Beta Updates option is missing, don't worry. Here's how to enable it. Open Safari and visit developer.apple.com. Once the website loads, tap Sign in the upper right corner. Make sure you sign in with the same Apple ID that is currently logged into your iPhone. Using a different account may prevent the beta from appearing. Enter your Apple ID email address and password, then complete any two-factor authentication steps if prompted. You may also receive a message asking whether you trust the browser. Simply confirm and continue. After signing in, you'll likely see the Apple Developer Agreement. Scroll through the page, accept the terms, and continue. If Apple asks whether you'd like to personalize your developer experience, you can choose Not Interested if you prefer. Once you reach the Apple Developer Account page, you're finished. There is no need to purchase or enroll in the paid Apple Developer Program. Now close Safari and restart your iPhone. To do this, press and hold the volume button and side button together until the Power Off slider appears. Turn the device off, wait about 10 seconds, and then press and hold the side button again to power it back on. After your iPhone restarts, unlock it and return to settings greater than General, greater than Software Updates. The Beta Updates section should now be available. Tap it and select iOS 27 Developer Beta if it isn't already chosen. Go back to the Software Update page, and you should now see the iOS 27 Beta Update ready to download and install. Before updating, I strongly recommend creating a backup of your iPhone using iCloud or a computer. Having a backup ensures that your data stays safe and gives you the option to downgrade later if necessary. When you're ready, tap Update Now. Enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation process. That's all there is to it. Enjoy exploring the new features in iOS 27. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.